Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for your Wegmans.com account. So let's dive into the video without further ado. Launch open a web browser to get started. Now into the URL box type in Wegmans.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Wegmans account. Once you are logged in, go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile picture. In the expanded menu, click on the profile option. Now it'll open up your profile. To change your password, click on this change password link on the left hand side menu. On the next page, before changing your password, you'll first need to verify your identity. So, choose one of the verification methods from the list. You can choose to receive a text message, a phone call to your registered phone number, or receive an email to your registered email address. Choose any one option and click on Send Code, which will then send you a 6-digit code on your one of the chosen method. Here, since I've chosen the email option, let me go ahead and quickly open up my email inbox, and you will receive an email verification link from Wegmans. Click it open and copy the verification code in it. Now get back to the verification text box and paste in the code or type it in and click on Submit Code. After verifying yourself, on the next page, it'll ask you to change your password. First of all, you'll need to type in your current password. Once you type in your old password or your current password in the first text box, create a new one on the next. Now, re-enter the password on the next field. Make sure to type in the new password you are trying to change to, and finally click Update. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to change your password for Wegmans. Next time you're trying to log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly created password. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.